Hi everyone, James here. This is a male kill number 1. As you remember, me and Al did a buddy build with the Academy Tempests. I mentioned that I didn't have a prop for mine as I used it on another build. Al was kind enough to send me his, as he used the 3-bladed one in the kit. As well as that, he also sent me this, the Atelieri 172nd Sterling Mark IV as a glider tug. And again, thank you Al, I appreciate it. And let's just take a look inside. So here's the model kit. I love the box art on the front. The clouds look great in the background of this. You get 4 versions. There is a colour instruction sheet and photo etch fret included. There's one option on the side there. And then on the back there is the 4 options for decals. It does say it's a new mould on the side just here. It's the instructions with the decal sheet. And the coloured decal options and paint schemes. It's the photo etch you get. And just a leaflet of the various other kits in the range. You have the separate bagged sprues. You also get the mesh as well. So that's a gift from Al. It looks very nice. It's recessed and it has recessed rivet detail as well. And there's loads of cockpit detail also to add. And again, thank you Al. Thanks for watching.